So our diploma is now in its 50th year. We're taking all of that brilliant teaching and learning, we're taking that rich heritage, we're taking the strong links that we have with industry and all of our amazing alumni, but we're now going to deliver this in a 6-month window. Students can study in a full-time format, they can study in a part-time format. We even have accelerated block learning over the summer as well. We've listened to our prospective students, we've reduced those barriers, we've made it more inclusive, more accessible, more flexible.
You're also going to get access to really great quality teaching and learning. Our teaching team are comprised of some of the best examples of experience across the hospitality industry, and Leiths students have access to that all of the time.
At Leiths, we're all about hands-on practical cooking and learning. You get so many hours in the kitchen because we think that's the best way to learn.
One of the things that sets Leiths apart as a culinary school is the support that you will receive as a student. So yes, we're teaching you how to cook practically. All of those skills are really, really important. But along the way, there will be bumps in the road. I always say to students, cooking is not linear. You know, one day it'll be good, one day it'll be bad, and this is what happens. Our teaching team are amazing at supporting students through all of those ups and downs, guiding your progress along the way, making sure that they're checking in with you really regularly and helping you to catch up on things that you might have missed. That pastoral side of it, that relationship that our teachers have with students is second to none, and it's something that I'm really, really proud of.
Seeing those demonstrations up front, having a really good ratio of teacher to students as well, so everyone gets lots of hands-on teaching. And as soon as you see it done really well, you're then doing it yourself in the classroom. We scaffold that learning up as well. So our first certificate, our course certificate, is all about the building blocks. It's understanding why things happen, what can go wrong, how to remedy them. And then that means once you have all of those core skills, you can then elevate further with our professional certificate. And the clue is in the name. It's those professional skills, it's those industry links, it's cooking at scale, it's doing more refined food, it's doing the kind of dishes that you see in your restaurants, your bistros, your delis, all of your favourites. From then, you can come and complete the Leiths Culinary Diploma through our diploma certificate. And we're really pitching at fine dining with a lot of our dishes here. We've got advanced breads, we've got fantastic patisserie, but also we've just got some really refined plates of food, lots of elements on there, lots of garnishes. Your time management, your muscle memory, your organisation around the kitchen, your finesse in plating and seasoning, in the techniques, is all there once you graduate with the Leiths Culinary Diploma. Book a tour, we can show you around the building. You can see the kitchens in action. You can even do some cooking on one of our Taste the Diploma days. You can see what our teaching style is like, the amazing produce that we have. Our website will have the most up-to-date dates for those Taste the Diploma days and for our open evenings.
So get in touch. We'd love to meet you, we'd love to welcome you to Leiths, and we'd love to show you what Leiths is all about.